Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiallahu anhu reports, an Ansari had a dispute with Hazrat Zubair in the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the channel of the black stony ground with which the people would irrigate the date palm trees. The Ansari demanded to let the water flow as usual, but Hazrat Zubair radiallahu anhu refused it. When the case was referred to the Prophet, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Zubair, O Zubair, you should let the water flow to your neighbor after watering the ground. The Ansari got angry and said, it is because he is the son of your paternal aunt. His face changed the color and said, O Zubair, water your ground well. Then hold the water back till it rises up to the boundaries of the field. Hazrat Zubair radiallahu anhu narrates, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I think the verse, then, O beloved by your Lord, they shall not be Muslims until they make you judge in all dispute among themselves. Surah An-Nisa, verse 65, has been revealed in this connection. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said, only Urwa has mentioned less reporting from Hazrat Abdullah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2359 and 2360.